Hi guys, watch this little episode of Warick and Aireen, Mower Mayhem. Hope you enjoy. I've got that. Oop. Out of cord. Not a great chance, but you never know. No good. All right, I think that's a job for the mechanic. Dirty lens. So, been driving these ride-on mowers probably more than 25 years. I've had leaky tyres like the one on the front, which I pumped up before I started. But I've never had one go that flat that it's peeled off the rim. And I've never taken a rim off before, and it looks like it should just come off, but there's a trick to it. So I'll have to get our mower mechanic bugger. All right, so much for a day of success. Anyhow, you have a look around my shed. That's a bucket. Got some good stuff in here. That's why I want to take to the Philippines. But it's my wood lathe and all my gear. There's a TIG welder hiding under there. MIG welder hiding, well, not hiding, but that's it there. That's the compressor. That's what's been supplying the air for all our activities the last little while. And there's several power saws and electric planes, and there's a little baby toy bandsaw on the end there. There's my new favourite toy there. And my little grinding, buffing, cleaning station. It's been added to and added to and added to over the last 10 years. Bandsaw, and the cut-off saw. Hopefully we can bring it all with us. Oh, and of course the bench drill press. All sorts of fun things. Anyhow, if somebody comes up with the money and they're in a hurry, they're going to get the lot. There's a few voids in these shelves from things that have been sold. Gun safe used to be up there. All right, TTFN. Recycling. Did you say don't turn the camera on? It's too late. It's already on, Judy.
Thank you.
Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Lovely coffee.
oh my goodness, what is?
Oh yeah, I can do 3D printed stuff. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I only wanted for the kids. I want Isabella and Jessie.
All right, we'll talk about that after. No worries.
Yeah.
Alrighty, good.
And have you got one of those dragons?
I've got a couple left.
Yeah, I might. Well, Izzy most probably will. If I don't get one for her, she will want Jessie's. So I'll get 2 of them.
I think I've got 2 left at the moment. And they'll be the right price for you. And yeah, I'll have a look.
Yeah.
When I changed the exhaust fan, it didn't fit in the hole. I had to patch the hole, and Judy's just doing the final touches on that. Getting it dry. Oh, here we go.
One black, a blue. Oh, good. One for girl, one for boy.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you $20 now.
Yeah, I'll take it off the bill.
I'll take it off.
Got a fellow come to pick up some of our stuff. This bloke's wife is a Filipina as well. And I've only met him a few weeks ago when he came to buy one dog kennel off me, and he ended up with 2 and a whole bunch of other stuff. Right. So I'm just talking on the camera and saying, hey, you're a good bloke because you've got a Filipino wife. You hope you don't mind being on camera.
No problem. How are you, man?
Good to see you, sir.
Been right.
Well, Kris is loaded, and that's every bit of that's come out of my shed. It looks like junk, but for a home handyman and a man like this man here that fixes a lot of things and has acreage, 5 acres, he's going to be able to put a lot of it to good use. Plus, you send some of it you said you're sending some of the stuff to the Philippines as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
For sure.
So, but there's all sorts of good stuff. And lots of little projects to keep Kris and his Filipino wife. What's your wife's name?
Romela.
Say g'day.
Hello.
Gumastar to. Sorry, darling.
No, it's not mine.
All right. Thanks, Kris.
Thanks, mate. Good on you.
All righty.
Yeah.
Turn that thing off somewhere. Oh, I'm here. Magpie is supervising. What are you up to, Maggie? Hey? And look at that. Wow. Where's the boss? What's up, boss? Oh. What are you cooking?
Chicken, mushrooms, and tofu.
Tofu.
Yeah. Does it look appetizing?
I think I'll manage to eat a bit. Yeah, I think.
Looks bloody good,
Yeah.
isn't it?
I think I might just have to keep you a little bit longer, my dear. It's showing 7,300 watts. I don't know how to read it. Anyhow, but the good thing is, even on a cloudy day, it's still generating plenty of power. Time for tucker for Mr. Warby. Okay. Done. Be careful. Slowly, slowly. Delicious, hopefully. Editing in progress. All right.
Where's my coffee?
There it is.
Thank you.
I'm just about to deliver it. Okay. Peter's turned up to fix the flat tyre. Trouble is, he's so quick that he's just about done before I even get inside and get my camera. Too efficient. Yeah, so put a tube in it and it's all solved. We're back in action. This is the man that fixed my water blaster. I've got a leaky front tyre, so Peter's going to put the tube in it. Yeah, I've been wanting to mow the grass for a few days and it rained and then, oh, it's fine weather. And yeah, the wheels almost literally fell off. Now that Peter's fixed the mower, let's do some mowing. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that installment of Warick and Aireen moving to the Philippines. Lots of Mower Mayhem. That's pretty much it really, and it's ongoing. So please like, subscribe, please comment, please email us, do all those things. We appreciate your support and thank you. See ya. Bye. Hello.
Hi. Nothing. Fixing the lawnmower. Yes, and I always said you cannot multitask. But in this video, you've proven how wrong I was. You multitask doing mowing, decluttering, sealing stuff, helping finishing the painting.
Crazy.
And that's it. You can multitask
There you go.
when you want to. Please subscribe. No, I forget.
Was it?
Just edit
Please?
that. I'm tired now, really. Doing nothing. Could you please like and subscribe and follow us when we go to the Philippines. I'm not excited, I'm scared.